This is how you find founders using Clay. We want to click Find People in the top left-hand corner here, and we'll see that we've loaded 300 million results. On the left-hand side, we've got a LinkedIn style filter, which we can use to filter down on job title. There's two primary ways to find founders. One is by using seniority, which is going to be owner. You may want to include partner as well. The other alternative is to use job titles, which is similar too. So you could use founder, CEO, managing director. From here, you'll add further filters such as location. And once you've filtered down to your specific needs, you select Continue and Import to New Table. We've now got a list of founders within Clay that we can target directly.